this is how I made one ravioli. I hope you get it. Hola amiguitos, hola, I'm Ulysses Cruz and this is Plant-Based Masterpiece. Thank you for playing this video. Also, right now I'll show you how to make some ravioli with beets. It's very easy and very simple. Also, we're gonna make our cashew cheese filling with cashew, nutritional yeast, lime or lemon, a little salt. It's up to you, pepper, or added a little extra garlic. I don't know, there are infinities of ways. Also, I heard that people is doing with almonds or with macadamias, so it's up to you. Also right now, look at this, it's beautiful, this yellow beet. Oh no, it's not really beautiful. Look at this, what is this? I thought it was beautiful. Anyway, this is for outside but should be better inside. So right now I'm gonna use a little kind of herbs for decorate or give an extra flavor, and the recipe is gonna be below. Please get it, and I hope you stay until the end of this video. It's gonna be short, easy. I'm gonna explain you how to make it very easy on the easy way. So thank you for playing this video, and let's do it. Let's do ravioli. Oh, raw ravioli! Ta-ta-ta-ta! Let's do it. The first step, we should peel our beet. Peel your beets. Okay, right now it's time to slice it. Thin but not thin. It's on the other way. What? This is insane, amigos. Look at this. Would you like to see more close? Wow, look at this, it's beautiful. I love this blade. You are not a superhero, for sure you're gonna cut it by yourself. What? Look at this. Look at this shape, these streaks. Those stripes. Stripes or streaks? What? These are pretty. Da da dee da da da. It's all. Okay, I don't need those parts, but I can use the rest. Looks pretty. Right now I'm gonna use a little olive oil. Yep, a little olive oil and salt. Just a little. Just spread a little bit. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Just be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. Damn, look at this color. Looks good. Looks so pretty. And same, a little pinch of salt. So I'm gonna put aside. Actually in my fridge. So then for our cashew cheese filling, yes, cashew cheese filling in a food processor, cashew, your salt, your yeast, nutritional yeast. I'm gonna break down a little bit. Nice, now it's time to add it a little water and our lemon juice. So if it's too dry, a little more water. Please just use enough. Don't add it a lot. Where is my spatula? Where is my spatula? Okay, it's no big deal. I found another one. So the most important here is just be patient. Try to don't leave right there crumbs in there. Just blend very well. Oh, yeah, but my spatula. Where is my spatula? Whoa. I found it. It's almost. So, if you want, you can adjust the flavor, the cheesy flavor, with your nutritional yeast. So, if you want more cheesy flavor, no seeds, and let's do it one more time. Wow, this looks insane. I don't know if you see, amigos, but look at this texture. Also, it's a little odd aside, but it's almost ready. Your cheesy filling sure looks like this. Voila! Right now it's time to place in one bowl. So then chop a little parsley or basil. And just add it a little. Just add it a little bit. Or also, why not this? Why not this too? A green onion. So all is up to you. There is just one idea, and mix it very well. Look at that cheesy. That looks beautiful. So right now it's time to filling. If you see the shape of every circle or every slice of those beets, it's amazing, it's beautiful, it's almost circle. So I don't need the ring. Yes, the ring cutter. So right now just it's time to fill it. You have to use one spatula, but it's okay if you don't have a spatula and you have one knife like this, works good. I hope you get one size like that. Actually, make sure filling everything or filling all. Nice. Right here is one. And let's make one more time. One more. Da-da-dee. More cheese. Da-da-da. Voila! It's time to play it. It's time to play. Don't be shy. Oh, no, 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 no. Yes. Anyway, you can play it however you want. On this side or on the other one? Okay, right here. You can fill it with something on the tops. I mean, you can use any kind of garnish. Right now I'm gonna use a little microgreens. Use any kind. Oh, no, 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 no. Why just microgreens when I have right here basil? Da-da-dee, da-da-da. This is how I make one ravioli. I hope you get it. An extra leaves. An extra leaves. Little lemon zest. Da-da-dee. On the top, on the top, on the top. And also, yes, cashew. And you know what is this, right? Edible flowers. A little edible flowers here, little edible flowers there, and edible flowers. Ta-ta-ta-tan! One raw ravioli. Hey amigos, I hope you get the recipe. Please get it, get it. I recommend you 100%. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and see you soon. Peace and love. Peace and love.